welcome to my channel. If you guys are new here, my name is Sydney and I'm a mommy to twin 1.5-year-old boys. I do cleaning, organizing, lifestyle videos, so if you guys are interested, please stay tuned, and I hope you guys decide to join me and hit that subscribe button. I would love to have you. Yeah, so today I'm gonna be doing a decluttering and organizing of our boys' closet. Sorry about the noise, they're both awake right now. And yeah, I've been procrastinating on this for a while, so it's about time I do it. So yeah, let's get right into it. Yeah, so this is the boys' closet. I hang some of their clothes up, like jackets, sweaters, long sleeve shirts, and this is like all new right here. And this is clothes that doesn't fit them anymore or it's like out of season. And this is like once they get a little older, because this is a little too big for them right now. So I just put it in the back. And I have some of our coats in here also. Sorry about the lighting, we don't have a light in the closet, so. Anyways, drawers for the boys. These are like cheap ones, I got them at Target. And then I have this little area right here. I keep some of their shoes and covers. Just gotta organize everything a lot better. So I'm just gonna go drawer by drawer and take out the items I know doesn't fit them anymore and that they've outgrown, and I'll be organizing after I'm done with everything. Pretty much done decluttering all of their clothes, and it seems as if they don't have much left. I swear these kids grow like weeds, and I feel like we buy clothes for them every couple months, which I guess is normal, but I guess since we do have two, it feels like it's all the time. But hey, I guess it's part of having kids, right? So I'm just going through all of their shoes. These are mostly hand-me-downs and they actually don't fit into them quite yet. So I'm just putting them in the second little slot just for the future. And this is actually a little memory box I have of the boys. I have one for each one, and yeah, I keep everything in there. Everything that's precious to me. That's their first coming home outfit from that hospital, and yeah, I just think it's so neat to have something like that and to look back at, and yeah. Decluttered closet of the boys. So these were actually just thrown. They never really had a specific spot for them, so I thought this would be a good place for them, just to show them off, and that way they don't get messed up. And this was actually from our baby shower. A lot of our guests signed this, And I thought it would be a cute little area to display that also. And then, sorry about the lighting again. I put all of their socks are right there, and like casual clothes, like just to be at the house right here. I have shorts there too. And then I have more shirts, and these are more like casual, but we can go out in them also. And I have their jeans and pants, comfy pants right here. And I thought it'd be better just to have a separate little drawers for each thing. And then their PJs, definitely gotta get some for Christmas for them because they are running low on that. And then these are just clothes that don't fit them yet. These are hand-me-downs. So yeah, just thought I would put them down here. And that's empty. And then over here, I just put some of their shoes right there. And then in the bottom also, I have some blankets, their bed covers. I put their little memory boxes right here. And some of their hats, since they're not really wearing them right now. And some of their nicer clothes over here. Yep. And I just bought these. Yeah, so I mean, that's pretty much it. I just like to store their clothes in their closet since their room is pretty small, and I thought this would be a great way to store and space saver as well. And then I put some of their toboggans right here. The other ones are, I think, downstairs, so I thought that'd be cute for right now. And this is their room. And there's the crazy little boys. Those are all their toys. And I'm about to vacuum real quick because these boys gotta take a nap. So, Peppy, that's oh, I forgot to mention, this is all the clothes that I'm donating. Doesn't fit them anymore, or it's like it's way too cold to wear right now. So yeah, a full bag, and then half of a bag. So yeah, that's pretty good. Alright guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. And this is the finished, clean bedroom of our boys. Alright guys, that's going to be it for today. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and make sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Also, don't forget to turn on your bell notifications to not miss any videos. And yeah, I hope this was motivating, and you know, it's almost New Year, so make sure you tackle those closets and declutter before the New Year, and that way you can start the New Year fresh and stress-free, filled with less clutter and things you don't need. So yeah, all right guys, see you next time. Bye.